Okay, so here we go. No problem with the charger now. We did wireless charging, but in just a few minutes it's down 4%. There's no longer the alarm or problem. Hold on. No more notification of USB problem. So let's see. But it was charged by wireless charger. Bez drátové. Moment. We're gonna plug this in from the mobile shop. Totally new. Used maybe 2 or 3 times. Okay, just a second. Look at that. Now we got, it's a problem. Now when I unplug it, that's what it does. This phone has big problem, and it will do that until it dies.